Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of tech enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-in-one desktop computer with Intel Core i7-3770 processor, 8GB DDR3 RAM, and SSD storage. This powerhouse of a machine is perfect for gaming, work, and everything in between. With a 24-inch display and built-in optical drive, it's a complete full set that's ready to go right out of the box. But what sets this all-in-one computer apart from the rest? Let's talk about the performance. The Intel Core i7-3770 processor delivers lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking, making it a perfect choice for gamers and professionals alike. Plus, with 8GB of DDR3 RAM, you can say goodbye to lag and slow loading times. And let's not forget about the sleek design and built-in Wi-Fi, giving you the freedom to place this all-in-one computer wherever you want without worrying about tangled cords or limited connectivity. Plus, with the inclusion of an optical drive, you can watch your favorite movies or burn discs with ease. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But believe me, it's the real deal. And the best part? You can get it at a wholesale price that won't break the bank. Just drop us a message and our team will get back to you with a quote within 24 hours. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take your gaming or work setup to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the all-in-one desktop computer today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more tech reviews and recommendations. See you in the next one.